take a trip all across the world. Cause you my girl, 999. We can take a flight and sit.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, clearly we are beating the face with the new Amrezy Times Anastasia palette. This palette is just so bomb. So this is going to be a review, but I'm going to do it a little bit different because I feel like people are tired of reviews. So I'm just going to do a quick eye look, and I'm just going to tell you how much I love the eyeshadow palette because I'm obsessed with the eyeshadow palette. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so if you are still watching, then you saw me create this look. I just beat my face off camera. The rest of my face, of course. I am so obsessed with this palette. I love this palette. Anastasia just keeps coming with the heats. First it was the Jackie Aina palette. Now it's the Amrezy palette this year. Like, they're just killing the game early. I am obsessed with the shade Leo. I had to use Leo because I'm a Leo, duh. And I didn't want to do like a blue. Well, I did want to do a blue and pink type of look, but I feel like everybody was doing that. So I used Dragon and Leo. And I am obsessed with these shades. Like, the pigmentation in Leo, it is so... it's a true pressed pigment. Like, when you're using this shade, just press lightly on it and it's just gonna... it's just like butter, baby. Like, it's just so nice on the lid. Like, you can see this color. Like, look at the colors, they are popping. I didn't use any glitter glue, no primer, no nothing. All I did was put concealer on and bam, boom, did it. But yeah, I'm not gonna say too much about it because all I can say is that I am in love with this palette. Literally everything about it, the matte shades blend so nicely. The browns in here are so bomb. I use New Yorker and 1988 in this look and they just blend so perfectly together. There's no streaks. It's amazing. I cannot wait to play with the rest of these shades. But all I have to say is Anastasia and Amrezy, y'all did this. I cannot wait to see what else we have in store for 2020 with all the new makeup launches coming. I'm so excited. I don't have anything else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this look. If you did, leave some comments down below. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.